MLGO stock analysis for tomorrow and onward Friday. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether MicroAlgo is really a buy or should you just pass. Generally speaking, 66 cents is decent, but not the best. I know 7% up, but look at the broader picture, fam. Like, having done well over 42,000 videos myself, I've seen what's printing, what's not, and generally speaking, MLGO is just like a bearish market. More so, even if I zoom out here, you will see how big of a bearish market this actually is. Without any sort of confirmation, I'm not going to be willing to take things further down. And that's it. It just is how it is, you know, like randomly selling. I need to even forget about it. Like, all I will keep doing is I'll keep waiting. And like I always say, there's two things that will make me be bullish. Either a big catalyst, some crazy pumps happen, you know, fundamentals drop, big news, or just a second break above 79 cents, which is a proper one, right? Full candle close and all that good jazz. Want to learn all of the sauce? Click the first link in the description. Absolute risk-free, 100 people that already tried it.